Wait, I'll hold the bag. You only hold the camera. Are you? Whatever, bro. That's for you. Hey! Hey! I got her smiling, chat. I got her smiling. I got her smiling. Huh? How far are you? How far is it? My question is still has not been answered. What? How? That's bro. I asked you, how far is it from that location? I was what? Right. Try to be rage baby, I swear, bro. They dad rage baby. I do my job every single day. What can I do? See? Wait. Let me say it again. Yeah, I mean, bro, hey, that's not my fault, bro. That's seriously not my fault. I was told to sit the time I left even earlier.
Right, but 10 minutes to the escort is fine. The escort is in front of us.
Yeah, we just got caught with the escort.
Yeah, but they're saying we wouldn't catch enough if we were inside.
You the mic. Tell me back. Holy guacamole. Tell me back. Are we back? Let me know. Everybody in the stream, bro. Wait, why is this okay on there? Yeah. Everybody in the stream, that gets so much. Let's try to get 47.7 in the stream right now, y'all. 47.7, y'all. We are currently, how many subs away are we from right now? 40,000 subs away. So let's try to get that, okay? But anyways, y'all, if you from one to say me, bro, say me. The beginning of the stream was hectic, but we still have so many things to adventure and so many more things to do. So is that, bro. Fix the lens, the background focus is blurry. He said the background focus is blurry.
Yeah, because the lens is a low aperture.
So it's not because the lens is broke?
No, the lens is supposed to work. Can we change it there?
I'm saying what that is saying. I'm giving you the feel what chat's saying.
Less that.
Welcome to Rwanda. What's good, any guy? Everyone tell him, huh? Got blessed from Brisbane. I really hope to see you in the WWE ring soon, my brother. Y'all will maybe see me in the WWE ring. Maybe. We'll see, bro. Kinda hot, bro. It's like no way soon here. What's the best dish from here, though? I went hiking early today. Love Netherlands. What's up, Echo Board? Bro, you said 2 streams today? I said maybe 2 streams today. Yesterday. I'm taking words out of my mouth. But I did film content. And that will be uploaded in the next couple days. I went really trucking. What's up, preppy guy? High speed. What's good, David Rogers? It's early in America. Good morning. Bro, I'm at the evening. Good evening to everybody. Hi, I'm Sotio. Love from Morocco. Hey, Hatu. Love from India. Hey, Yashu. Love from Angola. What's good? Santos, Oliveria. Happy birthday, Parker. Happy birthday. We are currently dropping the next location. We'll be there very, very soon. And stay tuned, bro. Stay tuned to the stream. I appreciate everybody who support my streams and watch it live, bro. It's a great experience live, bro. It's a great experience to watch the stream live. It's good. I do. The camera that you use for team speed is better. It's the same camera, I think. This lens is different.
Without the lens doesn't go this wide. I'd love to use a 20%, but I can't. I'm supposed to. Especially in the car. You look like this.
Free for living. Oh, you know about lens now? Oh, really? Okay. We love you, Speed. Please come back to South Africa. That I won't, bro. Listen, bro. I'm going back to South Africa. I have to go back to South Africa for business reasons. It's like, huh? Kingdom's waiting. For one day, bro. Rwanda, bro. Y'all have such a beautiful country. Seriously, man. Like, I'm not even trolling. Driver. How far are we?
Like 4 minutes.
4 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Not even make it. Yeah. I want to tell you to come to Bangladesh, Speed. Are you gonna delay it a little bit?
I think we'll be fine.
Oh, did on it. Seatbelt? Oh, yeah, you're right. Seatbelts. Seatbelt, chat. Always put your seatbelt on, yeah. Lesson 101. Seatbelt can prevent you from a lot of casualties. Always put your seatbelt on. Love from South Sudan. Thank you, bro. Shout out to Dink Travels. Egypt is home, bro. Egypt is one of the toughest one on the planet tour, actually. But we're currently working on it, though. We're currently working on it, and hopefully we get what we want in Egypt. But Egypt's been tough. And it's Ethiopia. I ain't gonna say nothing, chat. See, now that we are playing and we are beautiful, we are not Africa, we are a country. Hi, Jane Duran. Hey, Shayla. What is this? Is this a new feature? It keeps saying, said hi. William Santos said hi. Like a lot of people keep saying hi. Love you, how are you doing?